Okay, welcome back everybody on this new video. It's Smoke Forest. Let's just open this video. I just want to make something very short. I saw how you managed react to the video I did on uh, the Asian breakout strategy. I've sat down like for a couple days. I've been just texting different types of strategies. So today we are just gonna tag on this strategy. It's simple. I'm just gonna use the exponential moving average. That's the EMA. So what do I mean? Let's just hop in, then start everything, then do some examples. So if you should go to if you open trading view, head to indicator, then search EMA, then choose this one, the exponential moving average. The moving average exponential, anyone is absolutely the same. So that's my own. I didn't add it to favorites. So this is my settings. So you are just going to change the length from whatever it is to 50, then just leave everything on. So yeah, what do I want to do right now? So anytime price is above our EMA, let's say the EMA is moving with price, and you can see it has been used as support and resistance for a couple times. So as you can see clearly, when market was at this level, what did market did? The moment market pushed out, it used this EMA as a resistance or support, anyhow you want to call it, then it just buy. So what do I mean? So with this strategy, anytime we are below the EMA, then we retest our EMA. This is a sell signal. So what do you do? So if price, let me just use a sell. So if price is above if market is below our EMA, then we retest the EMA. That's when you are going to sell. So let's say if I have my EMA, it actually moves with price. So I have my EMA just doing something like this. You see, then market was just, you can see what market was just ranging over here, ranging over here, ranging over here. The market taps, the moment it's just going to it's going to reject. So the moment you have your rejection, you are just going to enter for the trade. Aim for a 1:3, simple strategy. Aim for what? A 1:3, a 1:2 rather. Aim for a 1:2, so that you don't get weaker. So this, it doesn't actually respect it much. And I think the perfect time for trading this strategy is around London and New York session, especially when New York is opening, when London is about to close. That time there is more volume in the market. So let's just do some quick examples. So starting off, I have Euro USD, and this strategy you can use it to trade gold as well. I'll show examples on gold. So you can see clearly at this area, let me just go back at this area, and please don't trade off this strategy without like maybe some little confirmation like the rejection, or you have seen some sort of pattern before. You can see clearly when markets you touch this EMA, it rejected it. That's his signal over there. So you are just gonna aim for 1:2, simple. Just always, I think you should have your stop loss at least 5 pips, then aim for a 1:2. You can see this one went 1:4, but depending on how aggressive you are. So imagine having a $5 here, 1:4, you just made $20. That's the simplicity of strategy. More examples on Euro USD. You can see clearly here market. So that's why I always tell you, the moment you have your tap, you need to see market to reject the EMA. Remember to put your stop loss at least 10 to 5 pips are okay. Then aim for a 1 is to 2, 1 is to 3. You can see here they respected the 1 is to 2. So but then you are done with this. You are done with the strategy. Here you can see how market has been using it multiple times to sell. So the moment we have our rejection, we're just going to enter. We have our rejection, we are going to enter over here. Aim for 1 is to 2. Maybe I think this trade actually hits TP, then it's rejected. So that's why I said maybe if you are very much aggressive, you can aim for maybe a 1 is to 5, 1 is to 10. Anyhow aggressive you are, bro, you can see clearly how markets use this EMA to. So you can see we have, and I forget to say, this strategy you can use it for the 3-minute time frame, 5-minute time frame, in order, and the 15-minute, the 1 hour, every time frame, in order to avoid noise. I prefer you using the higher time frame like 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, moves faster. You can see market here, then market just start, then reject like so many noise. So I think it to filter all those noise, you should use the 15-minute time frame for scalping. The simple scalping. So the moment I have my rejection, aim for a 1 is to 2, and always remember your stop loss from 5 to 10 pips are okay, and don't be risking that. This is a strategy for you to like use to. This strategy, I'm not sure it could buy you Lambo or those fans, but for feeding and normal stuff, internet stuff, so that you can focus on, so that you are not going to be pressured on some trades like that you take. You see, let's say I trade support and resistance. So I have accounts, and you can see I can be using my trading money to be feeding myself as well. So I need like always trying to find strategies that could be supporting my basic need, like my feeding, my internet. See that with trading, if you don't have internet, you are just not doing anything. So you can see clearly. I think I talk about this area. So let's move on to XAUUSD. So I said it earlier that this strategy can be used on every single pair, but always remember to manage your risk. Always remember. So with XAUUSD, let me show this beautiful. So the moment price retested this EMA, price did some couple rejection with an engulfing. So maybe you should be waiting for confirmations like the engulfing, the rejection. Like say this, you see, gold is very volatile. So let's say maybe I was a little bit aggressive, aim for a 1 to 3 bar, 400 pips cut on good, we are done. Maybe you can see like if you should have hold this trade, but you see, we don't want to be greedy. Have a little money, then we are out of the trade. So let me show a buy setup to buy setup. So on the same gold, you can see our market up here rejected it. You see, then let's say I entered my trade over here. Always, you can feel free to put your stop loss anywhere you feel like you do want to feel, because you see, we are all different types of traders who are trying to survive. So that's good. So let me show some few. You can see how here market did a long rejection. Our market did a long rejection over here to like this absolutely the beauty of the trade here to market. So market respected the EMA. So that's for Charlie. So let me just run to maybe other pairs then. So what are the key things you should know? Remember that when market is below the EMA, let's say we are currently trending bearish. Always remember your trend. Remember the trend. You can maybe, if you are using a 15 minutes, try to go maybe the 30 minutes to find, if you can see the current trend, come to your 15 minutes, find the current trend. Always trade when you have your confirmations. Never trade because market just out the area, you are just gonna lose, because market could, you can see here the moment it did not respect, maybe stop loss hit, then it's gonna come back. So wait for your rejection, maybe you can add the engulf, the moment it's out, then it engulf there, that means you are going to sell like or buy massively. So let's check the next place. I'm done. So GBP USD, so GBP USD, and always, if you see any strategy, I want you to like back test before you start trading, like with real capital. Go and back test on your demo account before you start trading real capital, or else you are just going to be blowing money here and there. Today loss, tomorrow loss. So real quick, so you can see how, yeah, market just sold. Market sold over here. I'm currently on an USD card trade. Let me show you the trade. Where is the current market? So you see, the moment market taps over here, market has rejected it. That's my buy signal. So I'm just going to put maybe at this one over here. I had, the moment I had my rejection, the candle close, then I'm just gonna maybe my, okay, it's okay, aim for a 1:2. Simple. You will see market is just going to hit it. Like there's a current trade which I'm in, a current trade. I wish I could share my screen. I don't have my, so this is a current trade which I'm using the EMA to for chalk money. So I think, Charlie, you are, if you're trying to put it for them, more make money, more seriously make money with this kinds of strategy. Let me see, where is my TP? So that's the beauty of the strategy anyway. So, and don't forget to subscribe and like. I saw that you guys like really love the educational content. So you can see how here the EMA, the moment after this actually sold massively. It taps the area. This rejection plus an engulfing candle. So this like was a multiple confirmations. You can see clearly how we had multiple confirmations over with an engulfing. Maybe I could put my stop loss about this week, or anyhow like this trader, because I think your stop loss should be, I was thinking like maybe you should just put your stop, but I think like nah, you see what market is gonna do, nobody knows. Aim for a 1:2, but later you go and they go break, you can't see them. You are just gonna see like price just so what if I should have still hold? You can see here rejected, sold a little bit, came back again. And always remember to be using break even. The moment price has moved like a little bit, you should just sell a break even, maybe the entry price spike again, maybe price has moved more, set, then move the break even to maybe 50%, 30%, 40, 70%, so that you don't end up losing everything. Because market could be doing anything. Maybe market is just respecting the news coming up. So yeah, markets are rejection entered over here, but made our money out. At least if you are to take really this strategy, maybe if you can take more than 100 shares the moment there, but I think a day, this is like a strategy for just normal basic needs. You see, maybe your internet, your feeding, so that you can, so that you're not going to put too much pressure on the some little profit you do on your, like, maybe you have proper trading this one that you are using. You see, so I think for now let's run some few examples now. Yeah, price just the moment price we had a multiple, then doing the M, that's the double top, more confirmations. Maybe have my stop. I would say maybe 5 to 10 is okay. You can choose maybe today I'm feeling like putting my stop loss at 10 pips or 5 pips or any type of like it depends on you. So I think for now you're cool. You should add the indicator. Go to your um go to many of the pairs, try to back test and see if you are going to see some possible correct. Yeah, so that's it. So I think for now there you're just gonna fucking sort of which I will see you on my next video. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. It's Smoke Forex.